Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to remove or change shading style in Excel. Firstly, select or change your shading style cells, then hold Ctrl Shift F or right click mouse, then go to format cell. Then we can see this interface. Click fill, then fill effect and color on, color 2, change color on, example change color on, and color 2, change color to this. Select your shading style, vertical, diagonal up, from center. I select horizontal, then OK, and remove this shading style. This is very simple and easily. Then select the cells, go to color options, select no fill. OK, and thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.